In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Tag Manager results. Whether you're a digital marketing professional or a business owner managing your own website, being able to track and understand your tags is crucial. It can help improve your website's efficiency and uncover insightful data about user interaction. Let's dive into the process to ensure you're maximizing the effectiveness of your tags. To get started, first go to Google Tag Manager. If you're not already familiar, Google Tag Manager is a powerful tool provided by Google designed to help manage and deploy marketing tags on your website without having to modify the code. Once you're in Google Tag Manager, you'll need to open your container. Think of a container as a box that holds various tags for your website, so make sure you select the correct one that corresponds to the website you want to analyze. Next, you'll notice a preview button located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to begin the debug process. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows you to check your tags in real time without affecting the live website experience for your users. After hitting the preview button, you'll need to enter your website URL in the field that appears. Make sure you type in the correct URL of the website you've been working on. When you're ready, press the connect button. This action will link the tag manager with your website, allowing for a two-way communication channel needed to retrieve debugging information. Once you click connect, your website will open in a new tab. At the bottom of this page, you'll see a debug panel. This debug panel is your toolkit for inspecting how Google Tag Manager interacts with your website. Here you can analyze very specific details about which tags have fired, thanks to this neat little reporting tool. As you navigate through your web page, keep a close eye on the debug panel. It will display information about what triggers were activated, which is essentially what conditions were met for each tag to fire off. You'll also discover data layer events, which are invisible data packets that capture the interactions between the user and the website. This layer is immensely valuable for tracking events that don't generate a page reload, such as button clicks or Ajax loaded content. Most crucially, you'll have the ability to see exactly which tags are firing, when they are firing, and if any errors occur during the process. This gives you insight into whether your tags behave as expected and helps diagnose any issues that might need fixing. Understanding these elements can greatly enhance your ability to debug and optimize tags, ensuring you're capturing the correct data in the most efficient way possible. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the use of the Google Tag Manager and maximizing its benefits for your website. Happy tagging!